How you doing, everybody? How you doing? How you doing? Welcome to the show. Welcome to the show. Yeah, you're looking late but stylish. I like this. This is good.
Trevor Noah, the comedian who turned laughter into a $100 million empire. From hosting The Daily Show to touring the globe with his stand-up comedy and flipping luxury mansions worth millions, Trevor's journey is nothing short of extraordinary. But how did he achieve such monumental success, and what does his luxurious lifestyle really look like? Let's dive in. Trevor Noah's net worth is estimated at a staggering $100 million as of 2024. His rise to global fame began in 2015 when he took over as host of The Daily Show, succeeding Jon Stewart. Initially, Trevor's salary ranged between $8 million annually, a significant step down from Stewart's $25 million. However, his career took a financial leap in 2017 when he signed a lucrative contract extension with Viacom, boosting his annual earnings to $16 million per season. Beyond television, Trevor's income streams have been diverse and impressive. His stand-up comedy tours have grossed over $14 million, showcasing his global appeal. His best-selling memoir, Born a Crime, secured a seven-figure book deal, cementing his place as a successful author. Additionally, Trevor's talent for hosting prestigious events like the Grammy Awards brought in an estimated $20,000 per event. By the time he stepped down from The Daily Show in 2022, Trevor had amassed approximately $96 million from the show alone. Trevor Noah's journey began in Johannesburg, South Africa, where he was born on February 20, 1984, during the apartheid era. His father, Robert Noah, was Swiss-German, and his mother, Patricia Nombazelo Noah, was Xhosa. Their interracial relationship was illegal under apartheid laws, making Trevor's very existence a silent act of defiance against the regime's oppressive rules. Despite facing societal and legal challenges, Trevor's mother played a pivotal role in shaping his future. She endured jail time for defying apartheid laws but ensured Trevor received a quality education. He attended the prestigious Maryvale College, where his unique perspective on life and storytelling began to take shape. These early experiences, marked by resilience and hardship, became the foundation of Trevor's sharp wit and relatable humor, which would later resonate with audiences worldwide. Trevor Noah doesn't just own homes, he invests in symbols of luxury and financial acumen. In 2019, he purchased a Bel Air mansion for $20 million, boasting over 10,000 square feet of living space. This stunning property featured 5 bedrooms, 8 bathrooms, an infinity-edge swimming pool, a private theater, and a 500-gallon saltwater aquarium. 2 years later, Trevor flipped this mansion for $21.5 million, proving his knack for high-value real estate investments. In 2021, Trevor acquired another Bel Air estate for $27.5 million, a modern masterpiece with automated glass walls, a chef's kitchen, and a temperature-controlled wine room. The property, listed the same year for $30 million, reflects Trevor's ability to maximize returns on luxury real estate. Trevor's Manhattan penthouse, purchased for $10 million, is equally remarkable, featuring a private terrace, a plunge pool, and a screening room. In addition to his US properties, Trevor maintains his connection to his South African roots with a luxurious apartment in Cape Town and a house in Johannesburg suburbs. Trevor's lifestyle extends seamlessly from real estate to his love for luxury cars. His car collection is a reflection of his sophisticated taste. Among his prized possessions is a Lamborghini Aventador S, worth $400,000, powered by a 6.5 LV12 engine that accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.7 seconds. He also owns a Lamborghini Urus, a $220,000 luxury SUV known for its 641 horsepower and sleek design. Completing the collection is a Rolls-Royce Cullinan, valued at $350,000, offering unmatched comfort, elegance, and handcrafted interiors. Trevor's homes, particularly his Bel Air mansions, are just as spectacular. His $20 million estate featured ultra-modern designs, automated glass walls, and luxury amenities like a cigar room, a marble chef's kitchen, and a saltwater aquarium. These spaces aren't just homes, they are a reflection of Trevor's refined preferences and hard-earned success. Trevor Noah's success isn't solely about wealth, it's about impact. In 2018, he launched the Trevor Noah Foundation, a non-profit based in Johannesburg, aimed at empowering underserved youth. The foundation focuses on providing access to quality education, life skills, and mentorship opportunities, helping young individuals break the cycle of poverty. The foundation also emphasizes community development, ensuring that beneficiaries are equipped to face real-world challenges. Trevor's journey, from growing up under apartheid to achieving global fame, deeply influences his philanthropic work. Through his foundation, he's not just creating opportunities, he's inspiring future generations to dream beyond limitations. Trevor Noah's journey is more than just a success story, it's an inspiration. From his challenging childhood in apartheid South Africa to becoming a global icon with a $100 million empire, Trevor has shown that resilience, vision, and hard work can overcome any obstacle. His luxurious homes, high-performance cars, and impactful philanthropy are not just symbols of wealth, they're reminders of what's possible with dedication and determination. If Trevor's story inspired you, let us know in the comments below. Your thoughts and engagement mean the world to us. Don't forget to like this video and share it with someone who might need a dose of motivation today. And if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss another story about extraordinary journeys, financial success, and inspiring legacies. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.